Hey everybody, we're going to be working on putting that hook up. I'm going to put it up under the drawer of my nightstand, okay, and there's my CPAP, and there's the hose. So what's been happening is at night, if you're in bed, that hose, as I move around, rubs against the fabric of the bed. Eventually, you know, over time, it's gonna wear itself out. So this is going to stick right up underneath the bottom of the nightstand. And as you can see, this hook fits nicely on the hose. Okay, see it? So I am going to end up putting this up under there, and then we will hang the hose from it. So here I am under my nightstand, and here is the sticky. I'm going to put it up in here. I'm going to peel this off. Right, that's all you do is you peel this off. And I'm just going to position this in place, kind of like where I want the hook. I kind of want it looking like this. And I'm thinking kind of on an angle like this. I like that. I'm going to go with it like this. I'm just going to stick it in place and just rub it a little bit. All right. And then I'm going to hang my CPAP hose on it, which is here. All right, there we go. It's exactly what I was looking for. Well, that didn't stick well at all, did it? I'll try it again. See if that'll stay there. Now, if I come up later and this is falling off, then this is a product that will have to be returned because it won't stick on this surface at all. This is a wood surface. I think it should stick. And I think maybe it'll take some time for the adhesive to hold off on it. But let's give it the benefit of the doubt. There it is up there. Okay. There's a little better angle that you can see it from. That's up under my nightstand. If I come up tonight and this is on the floor, then this is a product that just isn't going to work for me. Stay tuned.